Good day, everyone. Welcome to Unilearning Tech Hub. Today, I'm here with one of the proficient trainer in the University of Ilorin. She's a professional in art of fish processing. Please, ma, can you briefly introduce yourself and how you become interested in fish processing?
My name is Mrs. Tony Ande. I am a technologist in the Department of Fisheries and Aquaculture in the Faculty of Agriculture of this university. I also train students of GSC 301 that are interested in fish processing as an entrepreneurial skill.
What motivates you to continue teaching and researching in this field?
We all know that fish is one of the agricultural products that is highly prone to spoilage after harvest. There is therefore a need to keep it in an edible form for a longer time through good handling and processing. There is also a need to process and present it as acceptable table food form for various interested groups.
Can you really tell us what art of fish processing is all about?
The art of fish processing, I can say, is a process that is associated with fish and fish products between the time the fish are caught or harvested and the time the final product is delivered to the consumer.
What area of fish processing intrigues you the most?
The choice of a preservation method depends on the product, the desired properties of the product to be stored, the availability of energy source like the wood, the electricity, sun, etc. I desire smoking. It's an ancient method of processing fish. It's inexpensive. It requires little energy. Little equipment is needed, and the quality and nutritional value is very reasonable.
So, ma, can you tell us about any notable research projects or publication you have been involved in recently?
I have recently worked on the use of additives such as peppermint leaf and leaf dust in the smoking process to achieve better shelf life and improve taste of dry fish. I also assist researchers and student project design on fish processing techniques.
Before we move on to the next question, my name is Tiamiu Pati Akonyi-Damola, and behind the scene here we have Babatunde Abib-Shion. How do you optimize fish growth in aquaculture system?
Optimizing growth in aquaculture processes, we need monitoring. We need regular testing of the water quality. How do we do this? We check the water parameters. We use the water parameters to check for the level of pH, ammonia, nitrite, and oxygen all the time, very frequent, to ensure optimum growth. Then we need to ensure adequate oxygen level through aeration and oxygenation system. We need to implement effective waste removal and treatment system. We need to provide nutritionally balanced feed and also implementing optimal feeding strategies.
Of what benefits is fish processing to students learning it?
Okay. The involvement of students in fish processing has various advantages. Students gain practical skills in fish processing, including handling, the way they handle the fish, cleaning, the way they clean the fish, and method of preservations. Students can develop innovative ideas for fish processing. Students can explore various careers in fish processing, such as quality control, research, and development.
So, ma, can you tell us some of the most significant challenges facing the fish industry today?
We have challenges of maintaining cold chain. No consistent refrigeration throughout the processing, storage and transportation stage. And fish, as they were, they are so perishable that they need to be kept cool right from the point of harvest to the point at which we will lay them, we will prepare them for the consumers to eat. Also, there is no laboratory testing. We need to be conducting regular laboratory tests to monitor quality and the safety of fish consumption.
So Ma, what are the various processing methods you have been involved in?
We have various processing methods that have been involved in so many processing methods to reduce spoilage and ensure shelf life, such as freezing, drying, marinating, freeze drying, salting, sun drying, smoking, etc. There is also a processing method for the table consumption in various forms that have been involved in, like fish fillet, fish pie, fish casserole, fish kebab, fish burger, fish balls, grilled tilapia, fish meal, etc.
How do you ensure safety and quality control in fish processing?
Safety, quality control. We will make sure that fish are sourced from reputable suppliers. Make sure that fish are caught or farmed using hygienic sanitary practices. We should ensure that we inspect fish for visible signs of spoilage. We should ensure that we store and process fish at optimum temperature to prevent bacterial growth and spoilage. We should handle fish gently to prevent damages. In terms of quality control, there are local and international regulations like HACCP, Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Points. Their plan is to identify and control potential hazards. They go about this by testing for the microbial load of different pathogens such as Salmonella. There is a sensory evaluation they conduct. They conduct sensory evaluation regularly to assess texture, flavor, and appearance of the fish. They test for chemical contaminants such as heavy metals and pesticides that are present on the fish. And also the labeling and packaging. They look into labeling. The HACCP look into labeling and packaging to ensure accurate labeling, to include nutritional information and handling instructions. Thank you.
So Ma, can you tell us some of the equipment used in fish processing?
Some of the equipment we use in fish processing are ice box, fillet machine, griller, pressure pots, sealing machine, food processor, blender, mincer, knives, etc.
The career opportunity that awaits those that are ready to venture into this business,
Marketing and sales. Thank you.
So Ma, what do a starter need to start up this business in terms of capital and equipment?
To start fish processing business, you will need to consider the following capital and equipment requirements. Initial investment depends on the scale of operation. Then the equipment used for processing and packaging. Then you also need the transportation cost. It is fluctuating. The economy is in a zigzag form now. So it will not be too easy for me to say this is how much it will cost me to start such a business. But it is essential to go through market research and create a detailed business plan to determine the exact rate requirement for your fish processing business.
Are interested in this business or have more questions to ask you about this business, please can you share your number?
066498757.
These are the basic things you need to know about fish processing. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Subscribe on this channel and turn on your notification button. Thanks for watching. Bye.